Hi there, my name is Ralf Kessel. I'm this year's project manager for the ArchEngBuild. We are here in Wellington at the School of Architecture. The ArchEngBuild was conceived as a way for graduates of architecture, engineering and construction management disciplines to experience firsthand what collaboration means in a construction design environment, with practical, team-oriented design scenarios that will assist their transition into the professional workforce.
It's kind of getting a broader look on things and really helping with that collaborative process.
As an architect, it's quite important to kind of draw from their experience.
You obviously bring different things to the table.
This year's design brief focused on medium-density housing solutions, which is being prioritized by the Labour-led government as a potential solution to the current housing shortage. On day one, we had the privilege to listening to practicing architects, engineers and construction managers.
It was definitely really interesting having the guest speakers because they were able to speak from their personal experience, like in the industry.
Renowned architect Simon Novak organized a site visit to the Wellington City Council's 106-unit Arlington apartment complex.
The site visit was interesting to see a bit more of medium density because I'm used to more commercial, so it was quite a different aspect for me.
This project demonstrates that well-designed, healthy homes can be built quickly, safely and affordably through appropriate construction systems such as precast concrete.
I thought it was quite interesting how you'll be able to change them from one bedroom to two bedroom, either by knocking a wall out or putting a wall in.
I think we're going really well. We've pretty much been non-stop since we got our project brief. Not much time to breathe, but we are tracking along, and I think that what we come out with at the end is going to be a really exciting pitch.
It's kind of been a bit of a pressure cooker, really. I mean, you've only really just find out what the brief is literally a couple of days beforehand, and then you're basically flung into this team of people that you don't know, and you're just trying to be working well with each other, and then to try and come together and kind of make your overall vision kind of be realised in a couple of days. So it's actually, I mean, it's really rewarding because you get to see everything just come slot into place as you go through it.
Being an architect, you know, you've got to bring it all together whilst having everyone's opinions and making it really collaborative, which is the hard thing with an architect. You're so used to your own design, focusing on it. To have everyone's opinions in it is quite challenging.
Yeah.
But it's good, it's coming together.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Time's up. So has everybody submitted? It looks like. I'm really, really delighted with you guys. You were outstanding. You were committed. You were positive. You were integrating into your teams. And you did some really, really hard work. Good stuff. The judging panel represents a range of construction industry disciplines. They are looking forward to seeing what inspiring ideas and concepts the students have created.
Really happy with how it went, and it was really fun to present and to just put our ideas out to everyone else, hopefully inspire them.
I can't stop thinking about if I were to do this again, the things I'd do differently, the lessons I've learned along the way, and then being able to work with two people I wouldn't usually work with on a day-to-day basis was just an incredible sort of experience for the future.
I feel so good after that's just finished.
Yeah, and it makes me excited about the kind of the future,
Yeah.
like working in teams and
Yeah.
you know, doing it professionally, developing projects. It's exciting.
few moments where we were kind of like, not battling, but kind of just trying to figure out how we can kind of balance things between us.
Compromise, you know?
Yeah, trying to make all parties happy.
Be ready for a challenge, that's the main thing. You will definitely be a little bit sleep deprived or very sleep deprived, but in the end you can be proud of what you've accomplished. Whoever wins, whatever the outcome is, everyone has done such an amazing job.
Each year, ArchEngBuild brings together 30 of our best architects, engineers and construction students.
The work that you've done in designing these winning designs is what we need for the future build of Aotearoa New Zealand.
I cannot believe how much content you guys can produce in such a short time, and the quality of that work is absolutely inspiring.
Our winning team is Tupu, Monica Varee, Liam Crawford, Georgia Peacock.
Didn't expect the prize at all to be the winners, but it's just such a great experience, and I highly recommend to anyone who's wanting to get out there and try something new anyway.
Not even for your own purpose, but just for the sake of seeing what other people have come up with as well. Like, that was probably quite an interesting aspect. We've all been given the exact same brief and task, and yet so many different ideas, which is cool.